Warning: the following webisode contains stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Do not attempt any of the following. Drewskie.Drift, and welcome to a special episode today. We are going off-roading out in Citrus, Florida, and we just got here and we already found someone deep stuck in the mud. Looks like they've abandoned it, but we rented a Jeep on Toro. We call it Tony the Tiger because it's great and because we're cheesy. It's a bit muddy out today. It's been raining a little bit, but there's a bunch of other Jeeps here and we got a crew of GXs already muddy. So we're gonna have a fun day and get that started and get the gang going.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, Tony.
Arms in, arms in, arms in. Arm in.
We're good.
Damn. I don't think we're going to.
Yeah, get the winch. Stay in for a second.
Yeah, just we got
stay in for a second. Fuel is coming out.
Okay, so let's go.
You guys gotta go around the other side.
Yep. Yeah.
Do you want to climb out the other side, or do you want to risk it this way?
All right, if you're gonna do it, just go. Come on. You have the remote?
The batteries.
We have a strap.
Yeah, if you guys can just go from the other side, like go that way and just pull me straight. Like that's what needs to happen.
How do I get over there? Do you have a winch?
No, I don't.
Okay.
So what you guys want to do is probably go back up that one corner again.
I know how to get to here from where we were.
I have to go there.
The L corner, which is the one like that. I'll just go like we always do. Go up there and then it links back around this way. You know how you go right?
Yeah.
So it goes to the left.
Okay.
Also, mind if I take over the winching? Yeah, it's a park. Yeah, that looks good. It's just gonna roll right back over. We're good. Let's all get out of the way, because now he's actually really going to start winching hard. So
Yeah, we don't want to
I want to be out of the way in case any of this shit
But I
comes.
just mean, do you want somebody in the truck holding the brake?
No, because as long as this has tension on it, we should be fine.
Okey dokey.
You're going to use the winch.
Use the winch? Yeah. You don't want to pull?
No, not with the, if we had a strap, I would do it, but like a winch cable like this, I want to.
I'll just stay on the brakes then.
Huh?
I'll stay on the brakes.
Yeah.
This man strapped down his cooler and it went nowhere.
That's why he strapped down the cooler.
Yeah, was a young bro nigga, I was pick a lock, hit for a stick on the back, yeah, had to stop, now I got diamond dancing everywhere.
I just want to say, Logan, that could have gone really bad. I'm glad you're okay. I'm glad you're good.
They could have made game over.
I'm glad Tony the Tiger could have
Dude, honestly,
assisted because I don't think anyone else had a winch out
how
here.
convenient is it that we had the same winch?
Dude,
Because my remote fit your winch. How convenient is that?
so there's no remote in here for the winch because why would the renter put that in there? He had the exact same winch on his Jeep. Plug the remote in. It's the only way we were lucky enough to get it out.
That's wild. All right, do you have
This thing's mint, bro. It's not even like
Yeah, it's fine.
you lost some gas, you lost some coolant,
That was the biggest I was losing.
but you
gas.
didn't dent
mallet on your
anything.
front fender, you're good.
Like maybe right here.
Half the ones on the street look like that.
That's it, really. Like,
It's good.
Put a little heat on it, a little bit of rubber mallet, you're straight.
You're good.
You
You could probably kick it straight right now.
probably.
that was best case scenario for
I can't wait for you to watch this video and be like, damn, I should have turned when you told me to turn.
Did you record him flipping?
I did.
What? Dude, we gotta watch it. We gotta watch it.
I don't know how much I got because I set the phone down against the tree when you
Yeah, everything.
as soon as you stuck your arm out the window, I was like, nope, arms in.
I was like, no, I got it, guys. I got it.
So,
That shit got really heavy really quick, huh?
Jeeps are fucking
I
heavy.
I truly didn't put force to like hold it. It was just to like kind of like stabilize myself. Like it wasn't like.
It was because you were falling out the window.
I think I actually might have had my seatbelt on.
Really?
Which is rare.
I was about to say,
when I did that, I had my seatbelt on.
Really? I was about to say,
I never wear a seatbelt. I never wear a
Yeah,
seatbelt.
same. I never wheel for seatbelt either.
Think she'll start up?
Honestly, yeah, I do.
Why wouldn't it?
I really do think it'll start.
I mean, she's only leaking.
She's a little low on some oil, but we're also like at an angle, so.
Yeah, let the oil settle a little bit. Put some more
I think
coolant in there.
Coolant's gonna be the big
How
thing.
are you on gas?
I have like, at least over half a tank.
Okay, so you're good on gas.
Don't let Al Gore see all the fluids you poured everywhere.
Yeah, well, I mean, as long as you don't use the internet.
Man, bear, pig.
Man, your coolant is nasty if that's your coolant.
Yeah.
Super
It was
cereal.
yeah, I was there for the coolant too.
Is that my soy through there?
The little like they running ones?
Yeah.
Will she start?
Those are the outer. You go to reference.
Alright, here we go.
Right through there.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Really?
I think we're gonna have to use the old starter trigger.
I have another. Is the jump out box like?
Yeah, jump box is charged.
I'm gonna back up down.
There's just no response, which is the last time it happened, I had to tap the starter. I'll try one
Well,
more.
I didn't know if it was a starter or if we triggered. No, this is an older truck. Never mind. I was gonna say some of them got like the fucking for the fuel pump. They have a relay that shuts off. And then
Oh, if it tips, yeah. There's a little sensor.
Did you unplug the battery yet?
Huh?
You might want to. She started up.
Back on the road.
Second try. Had to tap the starter with a wrench. But she's gonna drive out of here. Success.
Dude, I can't believe it. I cannot fucking believe it.
You earned some sunnies.
I'm ready for some sunnies, though.
I'm ready for some
I need some sweet tea and barbecue.
Let's get the heck out of here. Attempt number 2.